Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for Indian mythology GQ quiz. So get ready to learn, play, and explore the fascinating world of Indian mythology. So without any delay, let's start with our first question. Who is known as the father of Sita? Option A, Yayati. Option B, Raja Dasharath. Option C, Raja Janak. Option D, Manu. Correct answer is option C, Raja Janak, who is known as the mother of King Dhritarashtra. Your option is A, Amba, B, Ambika, C, Ambalika, D, Satyavati. Correct answer is option B, Ambika. King of Manipur Babruahana was the son of option A, Vidur, option B, Krishna, option C, Bhim, option D, Arjuna. Correct answer is option D, Arjuna, who has killed the demon Bakasura. Option A, Arjuna. Option B, Bhim. Option C, Sri Rama. Option D, Krishna. Correct answer is option B, Bhim, who is known as the mother of Ravan. Here is the option. A, Shurpanaka. B, Mandodari. C, Kaikesi. D, Diti. Correct answer is option C, Kaikesi. If you enjoy testing your knowledge and want more exciting Indian mythology GK quizzes, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also tell us in the comment which mythology topic you want next. We would love to create quizzes for you. So let's continue with our next question. What is the name of the daughter of King Dasharatha and Kausalya? Option A, Varshini. Option B, Shanta. Option C, Aditi. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is B, Shanta. What is the name of the only sister of 100 Kaurav brothers? Option A, Ulupi. Option B, Uttara. Option C, Dussala. Option D, Hidimba. Correct answer is option C, Dussala, who is known as the father of goddess Parvati. Option A, Daksha Prajapati. Option B, Brahma. Option C, Himavat. Option D, Parashuram. Correct answer is option C, Himavat. How many children was born to Devaki and Vasudev before Krishna birth? Option A, 3. Option B, 5. Option C, 7. Option D, 8. Your correct answer is option C, 7. According to Hindu mythology, who invented the musical instrument Veena? Option A, Vishnu. Option B, Narada. Option C, Saraswati. Option D, Krishna. Correct answer is option B, Narada.